I'm Miguel at Datavideo, and we're cooking up something real special in the studio today. This is a new one-camera streaming package, which features the Datavideo PTC-155. It's perhaps the last HD PTZ camera you'll ever need, and the Datavideo RMC2P, which is a new, very simple, easy to use, and very professional camera controller with its precision joystick and dedicated buttons. All the basics you need to get your live production up and running with this camera controller and this PTZ camera. The Datavideo PTC-155 is excellent in low light. It has a built-in streaming encoder to go to any CDN. It can connect to your local network. It can also connect directly to the Datavideo RMC2P for a closed network, secure connection, very easy to set up. It's simply plug and play. It has a UVC output. And those of you that don't know what a UVC output is, essentially it's a video output over USB-C that's data. It can connect to a laptop and stream and record using OBS. You can also use video conferencing apps like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meets. And you can stream to any CDN through the browser of your laptop as well, choosing the Datavideo PTC-155 as a virtual camera input. And to learn more about the Datavideo one-camera streaming package and find a local dealer, go to datavideo.com.